वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। तो आज हमारा एक बहुत ही खास दोस्त विदेश से आ रहा है।
Hello, how are you doing? I'm from the American.
हेलो हेलो
ये
हेलो
यहीं कहीं अंधेरी का
विरार से आए हैं, वसई से आए हैं।
I'm from Ghatkopar.
गाइस को डिसलाइक मत करना, आ रहा है हमारा बहुत ही खास दोस्त है यार।
असली विदेश से आ रहा है, ऐसा सस्ता नहीं। पर कैसे आ रहा है वो? हेलीकॉप्टर, पैराशूट, बाइक?
अरे वो एकदम बिजनेस क्लास फ्लाइट से आ रहा है, समझा ना?
तूने करा के दिया है?
हाँ।
वो सब ठीक है, आ कब रहे? आधे घंटे से यहाँ पे
कब
वेट
से
कर रहे
wait
हैं।
कर
देखो आ गया।
वापस आ भाई।
इधर ही उतरना था।
स्पीड बाबू,
दोस्त है क्या?
मेसी उधर गया।
रोनाल्डो इधर है।
रोनाल्डो इधर है, आजा।
आ रहा है फिर से
नाचो।
You are very powerful. You have to smash this on the ground.
I gotta smash this on the ground.
Yeah. You need to crack it open. Yeah.
You wanna work?
Don't throw it though. We don't want to
Not
die.
a basketball, not a basketball. You have to take it and...
Yeah, I know.
भाई इधर speed on the road. Welcome to India, speed.
What the hell is happening?
This was our official Indian welcome for you.
I do that to everybody or just me?
Everybody.
This is how we do swagat.
Well, hey, that was crazy insane.
We have a lot of excited things planned inside.
Speed. He's saying Messi is upside.
Yeah, I'm a Messi fan.
He is a very big Messi fan. Very
World Cup.
Very big Messi fan.
When did that happen?
I think you should buck.
I think you should beat him up.
Ball. He also loves Virat Kohli. He loves Virat Kohli.
If you a Virat Kohli fan, you can only like Ronaldo and Virat Kohli. There's no such thing as a Messi and Virat Kohli. They don't kabam because one is
Plus
a
minus is
goat
equal to
and one
minus.
is trash. So you cannot do that.
So who's trash?
Messi's trash.
Okay. But where's the World Cup, bro? Where's the World Cup?
Where's the World Cup?
Is it coming?
It's loading. It's thinking of an answer.
Stream loading. So today is the day we make him an official Indian citizen. पूरा का पूरा इसको ऊपर से नीचे तक इतना इंडिया करता है, बना ही देते हैं।
भाई आपकी आज वाट लगने वाली है भाई। मजा आ जाएगा भाई। So we're gonna get you dressed now.
It's your outfit.
This is all yours.
Oh my goodness, this looks saucy.
Yeah, this is called a Sherwani.
Sherwani?
Sherwani.
ओह भाई हमने पैंट भी लाया है, उतार के थोड़ी पहनवाएंगे
दुल्हन तो
मतलब।
पागल होने वाली है इसको देख।
How do we make you wear the pants?
I could just put them on.
Yeah, you can.
Okay, should we censor this or you gonna wear it?
Yeah, censor this.
We don't need another eye show, something moment.
Since she's not with us.
I didn't say the whole thing.
She's not with us.
Are you serious right now?
Trying to be.
Bro, no, like, I might gotta take these off. They're too tight.
Exactly why I said we might need to censor.
I where's the bathroom at?
How do you feel? How do you feel?
I feel like Della and Mindy right now.
Are they comfortable? You good?
Something in here. You sure that's the right thing?
भाई इसको जूते लग रहे दोनों लेफ्ट का।
Don't break his.
Let's go find
The last step. The last step.
Last step.
Indian king.
तेरा ही शेरवानी है ना? This
इसने
belongs to
थोड़ी
him.
4 शादी करी।
This is yours?
Yeah.
Messi fan.
It's got messy stains on it.
Let's go to the next tradition.
So he'll teach you Hindi words.
Okay.
You know what is speed in Hindi?
Speed.
Gati.
Gati.
I am Tez, which means I am speed.
Oh. Speed Gati. Gati.
Speed भाई के आगे कोई बोल सकता है क्या?
What the?
Too fast for you?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, let's put it down.
Speed by.
Speed by.
के
के
आगे
आगे
के आगे
कोई बोल सकता है क्या?
कोई bakes. God damn it.
Okay.
Speed by boya kayo tako gyugse. माझं नाव
Speed आहे.
स्पीड आहे.
Jai Maharashtra.
Jai Maharashtra.
Yeah.
Perfect.
What am I saying?
I think enough Hindi for today. Now let's move to the next Indian tradition.
Okay.
हम इस पे मेहंदी लगाने वाले हैं. मेहंदी is basically Indian tattoo.
It's a temporary tattoo which you wear and then when you wash it off,
goes
it
in
stays
one-
for a week.
So
She's gonna put it on. So what design would you like? Wait, do you wanna smell it?
Is it stink?
I don't know.
It's the most beautiful Indian smell.
yeah. मेहंदी smell क्या?
So what design would you like?
Give me a suit. Just that. A simple. S-U-I.
Okay.
हाँ?
हाँ.
हम लोग actually इसके हाथ में मैसी लिखने वाले थे लेकिन
S लिखना था.
No, that's not
She
an
was
S.
about to write Messi. I stopped her. I stopped her.
We stopped her. We stopped her.
I stopped her.
Hi. I mean.
नहीं.
नहीं.
S-U-I-I.
Stop making it.
वो डर गई है वो बहुत डर गई. Can we draw a small football here? अभी तो football draw करना.
Yeah.
No. I don't trust this guy.
He's a Virat Kohli fan.
Bro, I swear he draws messy, bro.
Not at all. Do you trust his drawing skills? Because
Bro, this guy is terrible.
what is that?
What is this?
What have you done?
It's Ronaldo playing football.
Oh!
Is that Ronaldo? That's supposed to be.
Yeah, bro, what is this, bro?
Ronaldo
It's Ronaldo football.
Sweet.
Do you want to take revenge and draw something on my hand?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do this.
You can do anything you want.
Should I tell him your weaknesses?
Close
the
his
things
eyes.
that you hate.
Oh no.
Oh,
No.
गलत निकालने वाला है.
Mess
ये
him
क्या कर
up.
देगा? ये बचाओ तुम लोग दोस्त हो मेरे.
अरे ठीक है
तुम लोग दोस्त हो मेरे.
अरे बदला भी तो होना चाहिए. Do you want to see it?
Yeah. Can you please explain what is this?
Let the comments
क्या है कमेंट में हमें भी नहीं समझ
let the
में
comments say what that is.
Welcome to an Indian kitchen. We eat rotis every day with our food.
Rupees?
Roti.
not chapati. Rupees we spend, rotis we eat.
Tea.
Roti?
Yeah.
Roti.
So we're gonna teach you how to make one, but it's a bit of a technique because you have to roll it into a perfect circle.
So this is basically
हमसे
Indian
नहीं
bread.
बनती, ये बनाएगा.
Indian bread?
Yeah. Start
So
with
you
this.
take some dough
Yeah.
and then you kind of shape it.
Okay. ये नहीं ये
Whoa, that's not a circle. That's not.
We were talking about this.
Oh!
Now you smash it.
जोर से करेगा.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then you start rolling it out.
Look at the teacher.
Math teacher बोल रहे हैं गौतमी.
अरे
Needs to be a circle.
तुझे भी नहीं आता गौतमी?
अरे इक्विपमेंट नहीं दिया है, वो पाउडर देना
Powder
रहता है ना,
नहीं
तभी तो चिपकता
उसकी
नहीं
सबसे
है,
ज्यादा
सामान
better
ही
है.
नहीं
Yours
है.
is better than ours.
It needs
Yeah,
to
you suck.
be. Okay,
Okay,
powder.
powder.
So now you like lubricate your hands with the powder,
Okay.
and then you have to put it on the thing as well.
उसका body part कैसे लग रही है?
Whoa, not like that. No.
Like what?
Put it like this. It needs to be soft and calm. Like a baking loud.
What?
Oh God!
I think I'd be good at cooking. You see this?
What do you cook at home?
I cooked that one dish. It's like an Indian dish. It's called D.
Called what?
It's called D.
It's called.
These nuts!
Look at mine.
Yeah. Like this.
Yeah.
See this?
Look at mine.
Yeah, says the one who just up like 30 times.
Why is there a hole?
What is it in?
Like,
Whoa.
no!
शादी छूट जाएगी भाई.
भाई यार. Whoa.
What?
जाने दो.
I'm not scared of you!
So guys, Indian.
We gotta get.
So guys.
भाई तू बोल ले, तेरे को हिंदी आ गई, तू बोल ले.
You talk. You feel you know Hindi. You talk.
Now here, pani go chicken nugget.
चिकन हो गया.
Chicken pani puri.
Comer tapalasi por prasi de novo.
Spanish लग रहा है. Sounds like Spanish.
ये पेड़ का नाड़ा.
अरे हाँ पहले.
Your
pants kind of falling.
Pants might
Yeah,
fall.
your
You have to fix
you
the
have to
nada.
tie
This is called a nada.
We need to tie this. रुक जा बांधने दे मुझे. तुम लोग मत देखो. तो हमने इंडियन फूड बनाने की तो ट्राई की, इनसे कुछ बना नहीं, घंटा कुछ नहीं बना, तो अब हम खिलाएंगे उनको खुद का पहले से बनाया हुआ
What am I about to eat?
पानी पूरी.
It's like a surprise. It'll like burst in your mouth.
Yeah,
Bust in my mouth.
Yeah.
It like busts open in your mouth.
Yeah.
literally. Yeah.
It's basically pani means water and puri means what is puri?
That brown thing there is
but-
puri.
Yeah, that's puri.
Booty? It's called booty?
Puri ne puri.
I know you would love to eat That we have puri instant.
Hey, what's your name?
Huh?
Abhay
Yadav.
Abhay Yadav.
Abhay Yadav?
Abhay.
Abhay Yadav. Abhay Yadav.
Very talented.
First step, you make a hole in there, and then you put the bundi inside. Then you put these
types of
two
water in it.
chutneys in there, and now you eat it all in one.
Yeah.
You fit the entire thing
It's
in your
really
mouth.
nice, even we can eat it.
This is the most pure water that you can find in India.
When Christopher Nolan comes to India, he always eats this. That's how he made
Who's calling?
His wife?
It's his wife, it's his wife.
रुको रुको
आपकी बीवी का कॉल है.
आप पहले खा ये कर लो
I was in the middle of a video.
He'll teach
He's
you how to
gonna
eat it.
give you a
What you mean,
demo.
teach me how to eat it? All you gotta do is eat it.
Put the entire thing in your mouth at once.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie, this does not look tasteful, bro.
It is tasty. Just try it. It is very tasty. Come on.
Speed.
Speed.
You can do this. Speed.
It's nice.
Was it?
I hope it's. Did it explode? Did it explode in the mouth?
नहीं पसंद. What's wrong? We can change it. We have many sauces. We can change it.
फिर थूकना नहीं थूका नहीं.
कोशिश कर रहा है बेचारा खाने की. गया. There's another one.
पानी दे दो.
One more.
No. Now here he.
We can.
This is gulab
Okay,
jamun.
let's make it better.
Let's make it better. This is definitely very tasty. In the Indian tradition, we have to feed this dish. That's how. And you have to you have to take it. You have to eat it.
Don't kiss it, eat
Don't
it.
kiss it. Don't kiss it. You have to.
I gotta bite the whole thing.
And okay, fine. You can have half.
Yeah, but at least like don't.
Now is
This is good,
better?
right? This is good?
better?
This is good?
Okay. We fixed it.
Yeah.
We have one more.
Wait, that's actually good. Oh, hell no. Bro, I've been all over India. I've never seen this, bro. Y'all making up shit now.
No, this is also very famous. Son
How
papdi.
could we have made anything?
You love it. It's like grass.
You said it about that, and I don't love it.
It's really tasty. You love it. Trust me, you love it.
Come on, this is
Tell me,
good.
this is
You
very
liked
good.
it,
You have to like it.
You
Come on,
liked
everybody in
it.
India loves
You
it.
did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like it. I like it.
You want more?
No,
You
bro.
can take it home. You can take the
Yeah,
whole
you
box
can take this home.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
One more sweet dish for you. We have Indian chocolate for you.
This is
Indian
healthy.
chocolate.
Yeah.
This is
Indian
really
chocolate.
Dabur Chamanprash. That's the
It's
name.
so healthy.
Bro, you gotta understand, like, I just ate chicken spaghetti, I just ate peri chips. Like, it's all these things mixing on these
That's why you need to eat Chamanprash.
This
It fixes
heals
everything.
I'm done. Bro. So, 2 out of 4.
50-50 is not bad.
ये पास तो हो गए हम लोग. पास तो हो गए.
Pass.
Yes.
पास हो गए. इंडियन फूड पास हो गया. स्पीड ऑलमोस्ट इंडियन बन चुका है.
अभी टाइम है नाचने का.
I thought this was nacho. Nacho.
आज तेरी शादी होने वाली है. You're gonna get married.
What? Oh, you.
That's the reason why both of you were cooking together.
का सुखी
Oh.
संसार बहुत अच्छे से हो जाए. I hope you both.
मैं लड़की वालों की तरफ से
हाँ? मैं लड़के वाले की तरफ से.
होमीज, अरे होमीज लड़की वालों की तरफ से.
तो कोई तो इसके बाजू में होना चाहिए.
ठीक है.
अब आपकी शादी हो रही है दुल्हन आपको वरमाला पहनाएगी
Now, ha he, no, ha he.
हाँ, yes.
ये शादी होके रहेगी.
Okay, we'll do our face reveal. ताली बजाओ.
अरे भाई मुझे भी नहीं करनी तेरे से शादी. We are only doing this so you get an Indian citizenship. Even I'm not interested.
Yeah.
Shut up.
Oh please.
चलो.
Let's do this.
I'm only doing it just to be in a citizenship so I can be viral or something. So.
Okay.
Views के लिए.
Let's do this.
Let's go.
अब आप विवाह के पवित्र बंधन में बन चुके
ए,
हैं
शादी हो गई. फिर की शादी हो गई.
बंधन हो चुका है आप दोनों के सुखी संपन्न सफल जीवन के लिए हमारी शुभकामनाएं
You also have to put this on.
What?
You have to put this on her.
Yeah.
Like as I'm getting married? Really?
आपका पूरा ध्यान यहाँ होना चाहिए वधू पे।
डालो
Kabune.
आप दोनों का विवाह संपन्न हो
मैरिज
चुका
इज सक्सेसफुल
है। Yeah.
यू बोथ आर नाउ मैरिड
Wait, I'm actually married?
you're actually married
All right, man. Let me file a divorce on the same day.
Indians don't divorce. Indians don't
What?
get a divorce.
We can't
Yeah.
divorce.
You're stuck with her now.
हमारे यहाँ संबंध
forever, bro.
क्षेत्र का रिवाज नहीं है।
ऐसा पति मिला है
What
मुझे.
is you saying? I don't even know what you're saying.
हमारे यहाँ जो आप कहते हैं डिवोर्स वो यहाँ इंडिया में भारत
नहीं
में
है।
नहीं होता है।
नहीं होता, नहीं
No,
होता.
नहीं नहीं डिवोर्स
यहाँ
नहीं
Divorce
सात जन्मों
नहीं,
का बंधन,
divorce नहीं.
7 जन्मों का रिश्ता
for
माना जाता है।
7 life for 7
After
lives
life also.
after life for 7 times you have to be with her now 7
what?
lives 7 lives
Yeah,
not
when
just
you
one
die
life.
and you get reborn,
Yeah, reborn,
he's still
reborn.
with me, bro.
Guys, I think आज के लिए बस हो गया तुम दोनों लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब बोल दो We'll teach you how to say like share subscribe in our language okay वीडियो पसंद आई होगी
Berito banana hawi.
तो लाइक कर दो
Then like it though.
लाइक करो
Like it though.
होमीज को
Homies को.
होमीज नहीं होमीज
Homies.
होमीज होमीज होमीज
Homies, homies.
होमीज को सब्सक्राइब करो
Subscribe करो.
करो और अभी निकलते हैं बाय
Bye.